Hey y'all, it's me, Miss Faulkner. It is a yucky, rainy Sunday day, but we are going to have a great little lesson. Look at this little doggy heart. Hi, isn't that sweet? I knew y'all would like that. Alrighty, we're going to get this party started. Okay, we are going to be talking about combining like terms. And we are going to do our very fancy box and circle, box, box, and circle. So let's go ahead and look right here. Our like terms, we have 2A. Well, I'm going to put a box around that. And look, this A that looks just like it, I'm going to put a box around that. If I could combine that, what number would I put in front of this A? I'd put a 1. So I would say 2A plus 1A would give me 3A. Look how cool that is. All right, the next one, I'm going to do 6y. I'm going to put a box around. Now, does anything else look like 6y? Well, minus 2y. Wow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and combine those, and I'm going to say 6y minus 2y, and I'm going to get a fancy 4y. Gosh, we're really good at this. Alrighty, next one, 5x. I'm going to take that sign right in front of it. 6x, and when I combine that, I get 11x. Okay, now let's look over here. 2a and b. Well, these are unlike terms, unlike because of this variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a box around this 2a. Can I put the same color box? No way. I'm going to put a circle around here. So I have a pink box and an orange circle because they are unlike, so I can't combine them. So let's go right here. I'm going to put a 6y. I'm going to put a box around it. Does anything look like that? Let's see. Is there another y? Nope. There's an a, so I can go ahead and put a minus 2a around that. Now let's look at this next one. I'm going to put a 5x. Now I'm going to look for anything that looks like that. Well, plus 6z doesn't look like that. So it says, what makes them like terms? Over here, they have the same variable. They have the same variable. Well, now I'm asked to write another example of like terms. I'm going to pick the variable h. So I'm going to say 2h plus 10h. Ooh. Well, I'm also going to say 6 plus 2. These are like because I can combine them. So, when you have finished writing your example, I want you to raise your hand. Make sure you raise your hand. Look, raise your hand. Say, okay, I want to get checked. Okay, so just kind of review what we talked about. It says, if the variables are exactly the same, you can combine like terms. So 2x and 3x equals 5x. So if I was using my little box and circle method, I'm going to use this purple 2x plus 3x, and that gives me 5x because I just added the number and I kept the variable. So if I was to do 12w minus 3w, I'd get 9w because those are like terms. Hi. Okay, example 1. I'm going to go ahead and use my box and my circle. So I'm going to combine things that look the same, and I'm going to go ahead and put those boxes and circle because they go box and circle, box, box, and circle. Yeah, box. Oh my gosh, is that embarrassing or what? Your teacher's crazy. Okay. So I'm going to put a box around this 8y. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to look. What looks like this 8y? Well, this 2y. And you've got to take this sign in front of it. You've got to be really careful and make sure you take that sign in front of it. Okay, now I'm going to look right here. Does this look the same? It certainly does not. So I'm going to put a circle around that. So I'm going to say 8y minus 2y, what is that going to give me? That is going to give me 6y. Okay, now let's look. What do we have left? We have plus 9. So you've got to make sure you bring this whole thing down right here. So it's 6y plus 9. Okay, well, it's in different colors. That's right. Can I do anything with it? Nope. I'm going to leave it just like that because I simplified as much as I could, and I am left with an expression because it doesn't have an equal sign. So, hi. Oh, that is an adorable little smiley face. Oh my gosh, I love that guy. He has a body now. Hi. Alrighty, we're getting into a little harder. So I'm going to do an orange box and this little purple circle. I'm just picking whatever colors. So I'm going to look, I have 7G. I'm going to put a box around that. Now I'm going to look plus 2. Well, that doesn't look the same, so I'm going to put a circle around him. Now I'm going to look here. Okay, plus 3G. Well, that's my G, so I know that's an orange box. Box and circle. Box, box. Yeah, y'all get the point. Okay, minus 9, because that and that look the same. And then I've got minus 5G, so that's going to be my orange box. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to look at my orange boxes. 7G plus 3G, because that's that plus sign. So that would be 7 plus 3. That'll give me 10 minus 5. So I've got 7G plus 3G minus 5G. Well, that ended up with 5G. And then I'm going to look here, and I'm going to say 2 minus 9. Well, that 2 minus 9 would give me negative 7. So when I put these together, I get 5G minus 7. So I would get 5G minus 7. Now, can I do anything? Nope. That is simplified as much as possible because it is an expression, and that is where we are. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and do, watch this, I'm going to do a purple box. Whoops. I'm going to do, well, I guess that's purple too. A different purple circle. Y'all, I'm going to confuse you now. I'm going to do an orange triangle. Oh my goodness, let's see if we can figure this out. Alright, I'm going to start with my W. Now I'm going to go through and I'm going to see what looks like W. That does not. Okay, this, I got to take the sign in front of it. Alrighty, minus 10, no. X, what? 1, what? Okay, I'm finished with my purple circles. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to, my purple boxes. Sorry, now I'm going to go to my other purple circles. Plus 5. Okay, 5, 8, minus 10. Okay, I can make that. That's similar. Okay. X, what? Minus 1. Okay, that looks like I could do that. Right now I have one more. I'm going to do orange triangles around plus 9x and minus 3x. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of combining. So I've got W minus 8W. That is going to give me minus 7W. Holy smokes, this is a lot of work. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look 5 minus 10. It's going to give me negative 5. So 5 minus 10, negative 5, minus 1. Oh my goodness, it's going to give me a negative 6. And then I'm going to look and I'm going to say 9x minus 3x. That's going to give me a positive 6x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say positive 6x. Okay, now when I rewrite this, I want all my variables to come first. So I'm going to write negative 7w plus 6x minus 6. And that, my friends, is as simplified as it can get. Alrighty, let's go through this one again. So let's look. We've got E, we've got a 3, so that's I got a number with no variable. I got another E, got a 15, and I got an F. Okay, so let's go through. 7E, what else looks like that? Right here. Okay, I'm going to go back, I'm going to circle minus 3, plus 15, plus 7. Oh, that little minus 14F is by itself. That's so sad. Alrighty, let's see what we combine. 7E minus E. Well, if there's no number there, I could put in that 1 right there. So 7 minus 1, I get 6E minus 3 plus 15. What's 3 negative plus 15? Well, when I do that, I get plus 12. Did that. Plus 7 minus 14F. Alrighty, I'm done. Oh, no, I'm not. Why? Because I had that plus 12 and plus 7. So can I go ahead and combine that? I sure can. So I get 6E plus 19 minus 14F. Am I finished? Well, let's rearrange this so we have our variables first. 6E minus 14F plus 19. Oh my goodness, you guys are combining experts. Oh, look at his little nose. Okay, I gotta tell you guys something. You guys are, woo, woo, woo. You're stars. You're stars. You all are stars. Ta-da! Alrighty. Love y'all. See y'all. Bye.